Look at the state of this for bloody footpath. It's been fly tipped on. It's completely full of rubbish, including asbestos sheets. God, I thought the footpaths were bad where I live, but nothing like this. The first footpath in the Medway, look at it. Well, this is today's lunch because I'm out on a walk and I've walked to find this. Yeah, sorry about that. This is the River Medway. It splits Kent in half. Some say real Kent's over that side and this side is something else. But this is the motorway. All the trucks are coming down that rather large hill over there. I don't know how well this is fun. I'm hoping to catch either the Javelin train coming across here. It's the same as the Eurostar. The Eurostar also uses this new line. So yeah, let's see if my zoom will get in a bit closer. Yeah, this is where you want over 500 horsepower in your truck to get up this hill. It's a long climb up there to the top of that hill. Long and steady, about 3-4 miles I think. But I'm going to wait and see if I can catch a train. I've got to keep my eyes open. I'm sure there's a train coming. Oh, yeah, I'm sure there's a train coming. Yes, there is a train coming. I think I've got it there. Oh, I haven't got a viewfinder. Ah! I found a better viewpoint. That's Rochester over there. This is the River Medway, stretching across Kent into the Downs. That's the Downs of Kent. Quite pretty, really. And now I'm waiting for either a Eurostar or a Javelin to cross the bridge. So I'll report back in a moment. I think I got one this time. I've no idea what it is, but she's coming. Yeah, it's the Javelin, I think. Wow! That was going. Right, see if we can catch one for Mark. See if we can catch one for Mark. Here we go. Here comes Mark. Done this a few times, eh, matey? Sorry, it's not trains, but there's a couple of truckers among my followers, so done that a few times, eh? Oh, we've got two together there. Wow! Never mind, crap photography again. Didn't have a chance, it's already gone. Wow. There we go again. I'm not going to zoom in or anything this time. This is another Javelin. Wow, wowee. That's bye-bye to the Medway River. What is all this? What does it mean? Who put it there? Who reads it? Looks like a bloody mess. Yeah. Nice bit of artwork here. All made out of galvanised plate. It's all welded together. Lovely bit of work. Just about to board the Woodhead ferry. It's free, and this is the River Thames. Not so pretty, but you can see Canary Wharf and everything in the far ground. You want to know where your sugar comes from? That's Tate and Lyle's sugar beet factory. And look at what they're doing to the edge of London. Look what the investors are doing to the edge of London. It's bloody awful. Who would want to live in there? Well, I wouldn't. So that's the river. I'll show you when we got on the boat. Taking your crap away and dumping it in the sea. Look at that, size of that barge. Wow. Here we go. A big Daffy Duck there for you, Mark, look. The end of the Woodhead ferry for about the 200th time or more maybe. I'm going to have a little whinge now. 4 German rubbish cars. Why is there so much German rubbish on our road? 9 German cars in a block. It's not funny. I think the invasion is happening again. Well, I've had my rants and I've had my rage today. But tomorrow I am at the Epping-Ongar Railway. So we'll have a look round here tomorrow and a walk through the town of Ongar. It looks very, very pretty. Very old and very pretty. But yeah, so that's how I'm going to shut this video down now because it's probably getting quite long. I'm sorry about moaning about all the German cars, but yeah, it's just mad, and I'm so glad to be out of London. I couldn't live there, although I've trucked through it loads of times, and I don't need a map to get around. But oh, that was awful. I couldn't wait to get off the M11 and up into the countryside. So now I'm at Ongar, and that's what's happening tomorrow. This is where Mad on Trains, subscribe to me, is I think he works on the station or something like that, or in the shop. So I shall ask around and see if I can find him. That's Alan checking out. It's been a kind of quite heavy day today, well, hope you enjoyed that. I'll end up with a few bit of a running session on the end of this video for a couple of minutes. So that's Alan out in Ongar. Well, this is the inside of my cozy little truck. It's got a kitchen area, seating. I'm just making this video right now. This is the cab end and the bedroom's up there. 7.6 meters long, and yeah, I'm going to settle down and have a beer now in comfort. So that's Alan out in Ongar. Bumped my head on a rafter. There you go, that's a full lap with the anchor train, fuel train, oil train, whatever you want to call it. Well, I've had 2 warnings from people saying that the S15 has got a short life motor. So is it wise to be pulling an 8-piece train? Watch it go by and you make up your mind. Is this being cruel? In my day, the old trains didn't care. They would their wheel spin if they couldn't cope with it. It hasn't wheel spinned or anything, so, and they are very free running carriages, so yeah, let the running session commence. I'll just give her a bit more beans. That's better. Battery light flashing. Back in a moment. Anybody else? Where's that terrier gone? I don't know. No, oh, that is strange. It stops here every time, yet this track is absolutely clean. How dare you? You've done that because you was under the camera, weren't you? There we go, up the incline, here we go. That's one full circuit for the area. Let's go. You see hear a slight squeak, so I'm not going to run her until I've give her some oil. And this is her. Aren't I a lucky boy? Yeah, I've always wanted one of these. Spam can, don't they call them? But yeah, she is lovely. She really is nice. I'm not going to change the body because this body is slightly different to the one that's on the shelf, Spitfire. So I'm going to stay with Blackmore Vale. I'll find out what it's all about, but it's probably a West Country place. Blackmore Vale, don't know it offhand, but I think she's dry. Hasn't turned the wheel. These wheels haven't been run. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So that's the end of this video. You'll see more of her tomorrow because she's going to get the beans. So off you go, darling, my new darling. Look at that. Wow. No, come back. We want to see a bit more of you. Wow, wow. What does it say on the front? Southern, does it? Yeah. Yeah, she is lovely. She is lovely. A 2004 version. But is it? Because it's not what it says on the box. So a bit confused there. I'll do a bit of research. So she's going to have a service. So that's Al in the Loft. Logging off. Sorry it's a short video. Another quick shout to Mark. Thanks Mark for popping up. That was really great, mate. And wow. Okay, thanks for watching. That's Al in the Loft switching down. Alan out. See you soon. Bye bye.